Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. This machine is 64-bit operating system. Close it. After that, we are going to download our printer driver. That is very easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And here type download HP LaserJet P1006 driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our HP printer site. Here we find our printer name HP LaserJet P1006 printer. Here we find operating system. If it's not your operating system right, then go to here, choose a different OS. Here select Windows and go to here. If your operating system is Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If your operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. My operating system is Windows 10 64-bit. It is detected. Click at here. Click on the update. It's refresh your page and new drivers is available on your web browser. After that, from this all list, we find the basics driver. Basically, these drivers are in the driver product installation software. Expand this. Here we find basics drivers. Click on the basics drivers. Here we find our printer name. It is a series of these printers. Go to here. Here we find download. As soon as we click on the download, page is redirected to another page and download is complete in a few seconds. It is a very small size file. So I click on the download and our download is completed in a few seconds. Go to the top. Click at the downloads. Show in a folder. Click on a show in a folder. Minimize our web browser or close it. Go to here setup file. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Close our folder. Here we find our setup file. Basically, this setup file is a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on the setup file. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. It's extract this file and create a new folder. Double click on it, that folder. Here we find our entire drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. We are going to install this driver manually. That is very easy and simple process in Windows 10. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new pop-up box or the new pop-up window is appear. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. Here we find many option. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device, HP device or anything about the HP, then select that port. If you not find that kind of port, then go to the next option. Next option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Click on the have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop, our drivers file on the desktop. Here we find our newly created folder. Double click on it. Select this file. This is a file of our driver. Select that. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printers. Select our printer from here. HP LaserJet P1006, our printer name. Click on the next. Here we find printer name. You can give any name that you want. I give the HP LaserJet P1006. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It takes few seconds. So wait for a few seconds. After that, our printer is installed now. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. If you want to share, do not share this printer, then go to the do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. After that, check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. And if you find HP LaserJet P1006 at this point, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.